ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So right now I have the most ratchet film setup going on, but because I don't usually film at night or in my closet or makeup room, but I just got my hair done and I want to show you guys what my hair looks like as well as do an unboxing for you. So I just spent like 6 hours in the salon to get this color and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna show it off. I'm gonna make a video. So that's why I'm filming at night. So yeah, I really like it. I asked for like a dark silver / gray, so it's kind of like an ashy color. And yeah, I really like it. I really wanted to show my boyfriend, but apparently like he fell asleep or something. So here I am filming a video and I really do hope you guys enjoy this one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I have giveaways that are gonna happen really soon, because I'm still decluttering my Alex drawers. I made a video a really long time ago on my Antigona bag and getting scammed and everything, and I said that I wasn't really a huge fan of Michael Kors because it's a cheaper brand and I do prefer like the more expensive handbags, the more like luxury brands like Louis Vuitton and, you know, Balenciaga, Givenchy, Gucci, whatever. But there was this bag from like 2 years ago and I really couldn't stop thinking about it because the color is it's like my favorite color. Okay, first of all, it's my favorite color. Second of all, I could not find a bag in this color from any other brand except for Philip Lim, but I think that one was seasonal and I think I missed out on it as well. So I figured that this was a sign. Okay, so the semi-annual sales are happening right now and the Michael Kors, I didn't know that they did semi-annual sales, but apparently they do on their seasonal stuff. So this bag went from $358 original price to $187. So I was like, that is such a steal. That is such a good deal. I'm gonna buy this bag. And this is literally the only style of Michael Kors bags that I'm a fan of. This is the only style of bags from Michael Kors that I will wear. I do have one already in a baby pink color just over there actually because I used it today. I just find that Michael Kors are really good for like everyday sort of bags. If you don't want to be, you know, if it's like raining or something, you can't bring your Louis Vuitton out in the rain. You know, I don't know. It was justifiable for me. Okay, so I got this bag. It's still wrapped up and everything. There's a lot of that. Can you guess what color this is? Can you guess what style this is? That is the question. So, sorry if that was really loud. This is my new bag from Michael Kors. This is the medium Selma bag. And like I said, this is the only style for Michael Kors that I'm a fan of. I know it does kind of look like Celine. I know that a lot of Michael Kors people that are not fan of Michael Kors bags always say that they copy other brands and like more expensive brands and they're not original basically. So yes, this does kind of look like Celine, I know, but it is so pretty. I don't know if this is like coming up true to color. It's pretty true to color. It's like lavender with silver hardware. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. This bag is kind of like, it's a good bag. Like I said, I have another color. I have a light pink one. I got that one for Christmas a few years ago from my mom. So it does come with the Michael Kors dust bag. It is stuffed with paper. So I have my likes and dislikes about this bag and I will let you guys know because like I said, I've already owned this bag before. So if you are looking for this specific color, it is called the LT Quartz. LT Quartz? Yeah. And yeah, the original price is $358 Canadian. So if you get it right now, it's on sale. Okay, so this bag has changed a little bit from the one that I owned from a few years ago. So the canvas is the same. I'm not really like a huge fan of the inside of Michael Kors bags. I just feel like they're kind of cheapy. Like, I don't know. I'm sorry to say that, but like the canvas inside a Michael Kors bag is just that kind of like velvety material that you would find on like knockoff bags. But okay, I'm gonna tell you guys the positives and the negatives about this bag. So it is pretty roomy. There's like a lot of space, right? There is a handle and a shoulder strap. So what I like about that is because when this kind of gets full, it starts to get heavy. So you have a shoulder strap to carry it around with. The leather is very, very durable. It's like that Saffiano grained leather. And the one that I have still looks brand new, to be honest. So it is very good quality leather. That's what I like about it. There is a few changes. If you own this bag previously, you will find out. So over here, there's still 2 compartments on the back. And then there's 2 more like smaller compartments for like cards and little stuff like that, or gum. So it's a little bit different on the inside. You still have the zipper compartment on the other side. And there is a key ring thing on the inside now, which I don't have on my other bag. So this bag is pretty standard, it's the same. So yeah, that is my new Michael Kors Selma bag. What I like about this bag is it does hold a lot of stuff. You can fit a full-size wallet, you can fit a makeup bag in here. The one I have, I don't really use the zipper very often, but it is pretty secure. Like, it does zip. It's not just a button down kind of thing. So it does zip. The one that I have, I fill it so much that honestly, I can't zip it anymore. So that's the kind of annoying part about it, and it does get really heavy really fast if, you know, you're like me and you have a full-size makeup bag, full-size wallet, lotion, all of that stuff, and you want to fit it all in here. It does get pretty heavy, but regardless, it's a really nice everyday bag, to be honest. Like I said, this is the only style from Michael Kors that I actually like. So you know, I've seen a bunch of them because my mom used to be a huge Michael Kors fan. She still is a huge Michael Kors fan, but this is also her favorite style. I think they do a size bigger than this. It's a little bit, I think they actually do a size bigger than the medium Selma. I think there's like also a large Selma, but this is also her favorite style. I really do like the Saffiano leather. I do like the fact that it doesn't really get scratched. I think that that's really cool and handy. And like I said, it's a really good everyday bag because, you know, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a designer bag and you still want to look nice and everything, this is a really, really good bag because it's a lot of bang for your buck. I've had my other one since 2016 and it still looks brand new. I actually use it all the time whenever I go shopping, so, which is pretty frequently. And also the hardware doesn't get scratched either. It's pretty good hardware. The only wear on my other bag is actually on the bottom. So that is my new Michael Kors bag. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys really quickly a comparison of the new Michael Kors and my other one. So this is my other one. I do have some bag charms on the front of it, but this is like a baby pink color, and again, like I said, this is after 2 years. It's a light color and there's like no wear, and I do wear jeans with this bag all the time. Well, it's held up pretty well over the years, so it does fit, like I said, a lot in there. That's my makeup bag. It's ginormous. Honestly, if you can get this bag on sale, I highly recommend it. The other one was a gift, so I didn't really spend, you know, money on it or anything like that, but this one was such a good deal. I highly recommend this bag if you're into Michael Kors and that, and go ahead and check out their sale. You know, some of you might not be as picky as me with color and with like leather texture style of bags or whatever, because they do have some really good deals. Honestly, they really do, and they have some really cool colors as well, but lavender is my favorite. So that is pretty much it for my Michael Kors unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone. It's true, I'm falling in love.